So I'm very happy unboxing my first ever Oculus Quest 2 headset. I ordered it in Germany, so somewhere I had read that it was not available for the sale, so I ordered it specially from Romania. So it was delivered within 7 days. So here is my Oculus Quest 2 headset. I'm super excited just to unpack it, unwrap it completely fresh. As you guys can see, I have just unboxed the Oculus Quest 2. Now we will see what are the parts are inside and how does it look like. So as it mentions, it's a 128 gigabyte of the memory size, and it contains the VR headset. So this is our VR headset. Then it has silicone cover for facial interface. So this is a silicone cover for facial comfort. Then there are two touch controllers. So as you can see, these are two touch controllers which will be useful for navigation or for a lot of other applications inside the Oculus Quest 2 applications. Then there are power adapters. So here this box contains the power adapter, and this has the manual. This box has manual, and this is a power adapter. Then it has a glass spacer and charging cable. So this is a charging cable, and this part is a glass spacer, just to keep some distance from the face. And now we will open the Quest 2 headset. So this is how it looks like, and this headset has this face mount wrap, so just to adjust over our head. And if you see it inside, so it has the mirrors, cleaners, and this cleaners are the plastic covers which we can remove. And as you can see it here a bit, oops, as you can see here a bit, it's written a 2 here. So that means that it's the positions of both of these glasses are at the position 2, and there are 3 positions like this.